Most people think silence is peaceful. It is not. Silence can feel uncomfortable, heavy, even threatening, because when the noise stops, you hear what you've been avoiding: your unfinished goals, your bad habits, your excuses, your loneliness, your truth. That is why so many people keep something playing at all times: music, videos, podcasts, scrolling, conversation, background noise. Not because they enjoy it, but because silence removes escape. And in a world addicted to stimulation, the person who can sit alone in silence becomes dangerous, because clarity is born there. Think about it. How many of your problems stay alive only because you never sit still long enough to face them? How many wrong directions continue because you are constantly distracted from noticing them? Most people do not need more advice. They need less noise. They need one silent hour. 1 hour each day with no input, no phone, no music, no television, no notifications, no conversation, just you and reality. At first, it will feel strange. Your mind will race. You will remember things you ignored. You will feel restless. Good. That means the fog is lifting. Stay there, because after discomfort, something changes. Your thoughts become clearer. You begin noticing patterns: what drains you, what matters, who wastes your energy, what you actually want. Silence organizes the mind. It shows you where your life is leaking. And once you can see clearly, discipline becomes easier, because confusion creates weakness. Clarity creates action. This is why powerful people protect quiet time, not to relax, to think, to recalibrate, to hear themselves again. You do not need 1 hour perfectly. Start with 20 minutes. Sit by a window. Walk without headphones. Write in a notebook. Stare at the ceiling if you must. Just do not run from yourself. Over time, that silent hour becomes your advantage. While others are reacting, you are reflecting. While others are consuming, you are creating. While others are lost in noise, you are finding direction. The world trains people to fear being alone, but some of the strongest people on earth built themselves there. In quiet mornings, in empty rooms, in long walks, in moments no one applauded. Try this for the next 7 days. 1 silent hour, no input. Watch what rises. Watch what becomes obvious. Watch how quickly your mind begins to heal. Because the answers you keep searching for may already be inside you, buried under noise. If this message found you at the right time, comment one word: silence.